Karnataka is always coming to our home state, a state very special for the party, and I must say very proudly that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ji gave constitution to our country. And if there is a leader who is ensuring that the dreams of the constitution are being fulfilled, it is Shri Narendra Modi ji. Having travelled the length and breadth of the country on the issue of one nation, one election, I must tell you that people of the country and even Karnataka want change. They want transformation. They want development. And therefore, it is an idea of which time has come now, and nobody can stop this one nation, one election. I must also say, one nation, one election is a reality now. And as I mentioned, the Constitution, everyone is aware that be it Article 370 abrogation, which had the word temporary, but the Congress did not have the will to abrogate it. Shri Narendra Modi ji did that. Women reservation, another constitutional amendment brought in to empower the women of the country. And now, one nation, one election. You ask me about ballot paper, I would say BJP, like a good student, performs well in exams. And after we ace the exam, we thank the people of our country and states. Whereas the Congress is like a student that doesn't study, keeps away from the class, and after they fail, they blame the EVMs. They say SIR should not be implemented in various states. And what does it show? It shows that the petty politics, the PP, petty politics, and PP, perpetual pessimism of the corrupt Congress party and its ideology has been rejected all over the country. And that is why they want to take India back into the Stone Age. Whereas Shri Narendra Modi ji, like a very trained sculptor, is trying to make a statue which believes in future progress and development.